Hello, welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Please click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just type Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also add us on Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. DELOVEGRATIAS. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. Hey, hey, mamma mia. All right, bat. Bat is lisoko. Lisoko or litaku. Litaku. That's singular. Litaku is one. Two, mataku. Mataku or masoko. Masoko. That's plural. Masoko minene means big bat. Big bat. Masoko minene. Masoko mike. Masoko mike means small bat. If someone says ozali or oza na masoko mike means you have small bat. Ozali na masoko minene, you have big bat. And the verb kodenda. Kodenda means to lame or to swing your bat. You know, like when African women walk or black women walk, they try to swing their bat left and right. It's called kodenda. Kodenda. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time. Also subscribe to my comedy channel, De Love Gracias, on YouTube, so you can watch the comedy that we already made, laugh, and learn Lingala. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. Have fun.